Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. When working with asynchronous programming in Python, you may encounter the runtime error. This event loop is already running error. This error typically occurs when you try to create a new asyncio event loop while another one is already running. In this tutorial, we'll explore why this error occurs and how to handle it gracefully. In Python, the asyncio module is commonly used for asynchronous programming. An event loop is a crucial component of asyncio, responsible for managing and executing asynchronous tasks. The error message runtime error, this event loop is already running, indicates an attempt to create a new event loop while another one is already active. The most common causes of this error include using asyncio in a non-asyncio environment. Ensure that you are working within an asyncio environment when using asynchronous features. For example, if you are using asynchronous functions or coroutines, make sure they are called within an event loop. Running async code in a synchronous context. If you are running asynchronous code within a synchronous context, you may encounter this error. Ensure that the code containing asynchronous elements is executed within an asyncio event loop. Before creating a new event loop, check if one is already running using the asyncio.get_event_loop method. If an event loop is running, use it instead of creating a new one. This code attempts to get the current event loop. If the error occurs, it checks if the error message contains the specific error related to an already running event loop. If so, it creates a new event loop and sets it as the current one. Starting from Python 3.7, you can use the asyncio.run function to run the main asynchronous code. It takes care of creating and managing the event loop for you. By using asyncio.run, you can avoid manually dealing with event loop creation and ensure that your asynchronous code runs in the correct context. Handling the runtime error, this event loop is already running error involves checking for an existing event loop before creating a new one. Using the provided code examples and best practices, you can ensure a smooth experience when working with asynchronous programming in Python. ChatGPT